Hello everybody, I am Mario. Today I will be talking to you about endangered animals. What's an endangered animal, you ask? An endangered animal is an animal who might go extinct in the future. Extinct means it is erased and is dead, none of them being alive. Now, I will show you my friends who will teach you about their species, or relative species. First up, we got the polar bears. Here are the polar bears, everyone. Now, polar bears, tell us how we can help you. Well, polar bears have been poached. Don't know why. Yeah, but you can also use cars less. You can also, since global warming is now a thing because of fossil fuels, when you burn them, they pollute the air or make it warmer. When this hits the ice caps, it melts them. Yeah. Also, you can ask your parents if you can ride your bike to school. That's it, folks, for the polar bears. Now I'll ask the penguins. This is Penguin, everybody. I may be an emperor penguin, but like Mario said, he's talking to relative species. Penguins such as the Galapagos are endangered. So how can you help, you ask? Oh. You can use your car less and stop poaching, please. Global warming, like the polar bears. Because I live like them. Hello, everybody. I am a giraffe. And as you know, giraffes may be endangered, especially for our friend, who I shall not speak his name because I'm not like that. Is featuring giraffes in his science fair project. He will be the one to show people that we can be saved. One thing you can do is stop global warming by using oils less. Because the place where I live, such as Africa, has a lot of heat and it's only getting hotter. Another thing you can do is stop poaching in Africa, and you can adopt one of us at WWF. I will see you another time. Okay, folks, for our last animal, we will be featuring the wolf. Hello, everybody. I am Wolf. Wolves are endangered because we scare people. We kind of feel bad for it, but we have to protect our territory, and we are threatened by guns. So we're scared. Remember that. So please don't shoot us. And that's it. Who can help? You can.